Umidirang ba kajalao Conrad K Sangma ulapan pau bo klem kyntait charut ya jingdon bynta saiñpyrthei nak jing aiktin nak Neutrap National Liberation Council HNLC menhak sauterek urisau arajar huai kabamahami kibriu ban penyeso sa National People Party. Dak ba kado ba ka jing aiktin kalawan haswa ba ba lamprang bla MDC kamau plang dingyai unwan penyeso sa NPP bat jaru ah padeng kejing penkre ya election jit no mikmat hiteng samoy ulong ba umla ban kyntait charut ya bynta saiñpyrthei bat baro ya kini ondang pejnya. Ka HNLC hak sauterik urisau arajar arpuai kala aiktin baka simjig clear nak benta ka jingbu bom improvised explosive device IED hakmat ka office NPP la shumia bat dawa ba kinong trai ka party kidai ban resign bat kumjuru nak bayaso sa ka party hapo sibenai ulabu ya ka jingkali la ka HNLC ka tieng baka NPP kanangkiu hakabor bat ongru kumkini jingbyrthen kinumla ban khangla ka party banang klain hakabor halor ki kerwo berthen bat dawa pisa sa kinong thau an u mentirang ba ulong ba ki pulet ki dangwat bnia but on sim ye ki kendon kat kum kisaki sabut.
In this regards, it is a matter that the department, the Home Police Department, will deal with the matter in terms of the investigation and the proper action to be taken. So we'll leave that to the Home Department and the police to take the necessary action, and necessary orders have been given to them to investigate and take necessary action in this regards. That's number one. But obviously, as a political party, it is something that we are not very we're not very happy about this entire process, this entire incident, and we've been very clear. Deputy CM and myself have made it clear that this is not the kind of things that should be in politics, and we condemn this kind of act that has been done, and we want to tell the people of the supporters of the NPP that there's nothing to fear. As a party, we're always there with them, and even as a Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers also are with them. Today also you saw that our party leaders have come in full strength. All our MDCs, all our MLAs, all our party leaders are here. So therefore this kind of threat has not deterred us at all, and we are confident that even in this election there may be a timing. The reason why they've come out with this kind of statement just before the joining and just before the election is also something that one has to see what is the political angle of things. But this will not deter us, and we will ensure that we work even harder now to make sure that in this election we come out successful. The police department will give details about that, as I said. So the action is being taken. It will be too premature for me to say it right now. But I've had a review of this late last night, after the programs of the Vice President. I had a review with the police department. I called the senior officials of the police department, and we have reviewed the situation, and necessary action will be taken. The statement seems to be right before the joining of Mr. Mantri Bla, and the statement happens to be very, very close to the by-election. So therefore, one cannot completely eliminate the political angle also. So those angles also will be examined. Security arrangements will be once again re-examined, and necessary upgradation or whatever the additional forces will be required. The police department, the security department will look into it and take necessary action.
So the threat only to MP, even the ministers, except that this time they will not issue warning. They want very warn. Statement warning from this side.
Yeah, that's what I said. So the police department has taken full note of that, and action will be taken on based of all the evidence and all the information that's collected. And as I said, firm action will be taken in this regards.
Regarding this